Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Google Trends account for comparative keyword research, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Trends website. Once the page loads, look for the sign in option located in the top right corner. Click on sign in and enter your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to create one. After signing in, familiarize yourself with the Google Trends homepage. On the homepage, you will see different trending topics and options for exploring data. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the keyword or phrase you want to research. Hit the enter key or click the search icon to view the trends related to your keyword. On the results page, take note of the various metrics displayed. These include interest over time, related topics, and related queries. To compare different keywords, click on the plus compare option. Enter a second keyword in the search bar that appears. Hit the enter key to add this keyword to your comparison. Review the updated graph and metrics that display both keywords side by side. Explore the options to filter by location, time period, and category. Adjust these filters to refine your research as needed. Take note of the insights gained from the comparison of the two keywords. You can also save your research by taking screenshots or bookmarking the page. If you wish to export the data, look for the download icon. Click it to save the data in your preferred format. Now you have successfully authenticated your Google Trends account for comparative keyword research. Remember to revisit Google Trends regularly for updated data and trends. You are now equipped to enhance your keyword research skills using Google Trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.